Jain student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in controlling, that is controlling process. The process of controlling involve the following steps. First, setting performance standard. Second, measurement of actual performance. Third, comparison of actual performance with standard. Fourth, analyzing deviations. And fifth, taking corrective action. Now we discuss the first, setting performance standard. The first step of controlling is to set performance standard. Standard are those criteria on the basis of which the actual performance is measured. They are the standard which tell individual and department about their destination. A manager evaluate the actual performance on the basis of these standard and find out the deviations. Standard are the two types. First, quantitative standards and second, qualitative standard. In quantitative standard, they are standard which are shown with the help of figure. For example, productions of 10 unit by the labor in a day, total cost per unit come 100 rupees, etc. And in quantitative standard, they are the standard which cannot be shown in the form of figure. Example, increase in the morale of employee. Measuring the morale of employee is the standard of the qualitative nature. And there are chiefly four bases of setting standard. First, quantitative. Second, quality. Third, time. And fourth, cost. First, quantitative standard are related to the production, sale, stock, and quality standard are related to raw material, finished goods, customer service, employee morale, etc. And time standard refer to the time consumed in the productions of goods. Similarly, cost standard refer to the labor, material, and other expenses. And the factor to be considered while deciding standard, that standard should be a reasonable. It should be neither easy to achieve nor practically very tough to achieve. The first would result in lethargy to work, and second would frustrate them. And the standard should be measurable, and it is flexible so that change can be introduced according to the changing situation. And standards should be simple and clear so that the people from whom are let down should understand them easily. And deviation tolerance limited should also be clarified while setting standard. Second step, measurement of actual performance. The second step is the process of controlling is the measurement of actual performance. The measurement of actual performance is done on the basis of predetermined standard. The measure of actual performance tells the manager whether the work has been done according to the plan or not. An important question regarding the measurement of actual work that arises is whether the measurement of performance can be done only after the actual work is completed, or it can be measured during the course of its completion. When the work is in progress, it should be assessed through the medium of supervision whether the work is progressing at a good speed or not, so that in case of negative result, corrective actions can be initiated immediately to avoid any further loss to the remaining work. And when the whole work has been completed, in this case corrective action in case of negative result can be taken off for future work, which means that the loss of that has been caused cannot be compensated. And the following facts should be kept in mind while measuring the actual performance. First, the figure regarding the work progress should as far the possible be complete true, and these figures should be continuously prepared. And the standard for measuring the progress should be the same as were adopted at the time of determining a standard. And progress managing system should be quick to point out the deviation. Thank you.